In addition to your bird-friendly garden, don't forget that there are smart consumer choices that we can all make every single day to help nature. The old expression of reduce, reuse, recycle remains really great advice. We can reduce our demand for consumer products. We can reuse materials, maybe even old lumber, that if you turn it over, on the flip side, you can give it a second life. There are additional choices like environmentally certified paper and lumber products like FSC, and smart coffee choices even that helps our birds on their wintering grounds, such as the Smithsonian Coffee Certification Program.
In a previous video, we talked about supplementing with bird feeders. If you do have bird feeders, put them far away from your windows or within about a meter so birds can't build up enough speed to injure themselves if they do hit the windows. And talking about windows, one thing that we need to keep in mind is if you're able to break up how reflective those windows are, or make sure that the windows aren't see-through so the birds don't fly into them, to make sure that we're reducing window collisions.
As a bird lover and also a cat lover, I really encourage you to keep your cats indoors. It'll be safer for the birds, but also safer for your cat. Cats will also be healthier without the risk of disease or an accident outdoors. Just give your cat lots of love and attention and exercise, and birds and cats and people will all be happier and healthier.
Together, we can help protect birds by different consumer choices that we make, and also providing habitat for birds and other wildlife through the hidden conservation opportunity that's really staring us straight in the face, which is gardening for birds.